You just onboarded a new supplier. They have an office, a history, and a CEO. But look closer. There is no one there. This is a ghost company. Fictitious entities, born from lines of code, designed to disappear. They don't have a factory. They have a server. They don't have staff. They have AI. Generated identities. Synthetic resumes. The ultimate corporate mirage. In 2026, an AI can build a Fortune 500 reputation in seconds.
They infiltrate your supply chain. They become a node in your network.
A digital handshake that is actually a digital breach.
A digital handshake that is actually a digital breach.
Nation-states and competitors are using ghosts to win the trade war. History is rewritten by the machine. The past is whatever they want it to be. One day they are your partners. The next, they vanish with your data. Invisible warfare in the most visible of places, the boardroom. They move through your system as a trusted partner until they strike. Addresses that lead to empty parking lots. Websites with no origin. Trust score, 99%. A perfect rating, fake data, fake employees, and fake locations. The machine knows how to earn your trust and how to betray it. The phantom menace of the global economy. A new era of espionage. Deepfake documentation. Bypassing the most rigorous audits. The ghost is in the silicon. The ghost is in the supply. Who are you really doing business with? Can you see the phantom? Assets falling into the void. The price of a digital mirage.
Episode 7. Unmasking Ghost Companies. The final unmasking. Trust the proof. Unmask the ghost.